time, and this is about the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. And viewers, there seems to be a fresh rift within the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi has now pointed out that there is no shortage of leaders at the entry level, but roaring lions of Congress were changed. He also added that some netas of Congress work for the BJP while they are with the Congress party, and Congress party will not hesitate in sacking such leaders.
तो अगर हमें रिश्ता बनाना है तो हमें दो काम करने हैं। पहला काम, ये जो दो ग्रुप हैं इनको अलग करना है सीधा। अगर हमें सख्त कार्रवाई करनी पड़ी, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 लोगों को निकालना पड़ा, निकाल देना चाहिए। बीजेपी के लिए अंदर से काम कर रहे हो, चलो जाके देखते हैं, बाहर से काम करो। तुम्हारी वहां जगह नहीं बनेगी, बाहर फेंक देंगे तुम्हें। और जैसे ही मतलब अगर हमारा कोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट हो, ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट हो, कांग्रेस पार्टी में नेताओं की कमी नहीं है। डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, ब्लॉक लेवल, सीनियर लेवल नेता हैं, बबरशेर हैं, मगर पीछे से चेन लगी हुई है और बबरशेर बंधे हुए हैं सब। एक बार मेरी मीटिंग हो रही थी, वहां पे शायद मध्य प्रदेश का डेलीगेशन था। एक कार्यकर्ता खड़ा हुआ, कहता है राहुल जी आप एक काम कर दीजिए। मैंने कहा क्या? कहता है दो तरीके के घोड़े होते हैं, एक होता है रेस का, एक होता है शादी का। कांग्रेस पार्टी रेस के घोड़े को बारात में डाल देती है और बारात के घोड़े को रेस में डाल देती है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Niyamika joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Niyamika, quite an interesting reaction there of Rahul Gandhi. I want to understand from you, how should we interpret what he is saying? He is accusing first some Congress netas within the party working for the BJP. In a way trying to suggest that within his party there are some people who are the B team of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and he won't really shy away from throwing such people out of the party. That's point number one. Second point is about the analogy that he has made, race and wedding horse. Who is he really referring to is the question.
Well, if you remember, then in the past few months, we have seen that during the internal meetings of the Congress party, one message which Rahul Gandhi is repeatedly giving to the Congress leaders is that we need to identify those members of the Congress party who are very much committed to the ideology of the Congress. And he has also asked the senior leaders of the Congress party to promote such youth or the young people who are being present within the Congress party, but they are not being given a chance to work for the Congress on the grassroots level, as that is a question which is also being raised by Rahul Gandhi in various internal meetings of the Congress party, whether it is about the states or for the district Congress presidents or the block Congress presidents in particular. And that is the only reason why the last meeting of the organization which had taken place at Indira Bhavan, which is the new Congress office, in that particular meeting he has specifically asked the Congress leaders to focus upon the district Congress committees, because he has mentioned it very clearly at that point of time as well, that it is very much needful for the Congress party to strengthen the organization at the grassroots level. As today also he has given an example by saying that there are two types of horses. One who are being used for racing, another for the wedding procession. So that is basically he is hinting towards the Congress members, saying that there are the young people within the Congress party.
Niyamika, I'm just interrupting you there. Request you to stay on with us. We have a reaction coming in from the Bharatiya